Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ariel, and welcome to my journey so far. So, I wanted to make a video today. One thing you may notice that this is actually my DJI, and probably this could be the first video where I'm using a different camera other than my iPhone to make videos. And probably the biggest reason was that I don't have my tripod on me, but my DJI Osmo 3, it does have a tripod. So, I'll be using this one. And you can see it just goes back and forth. And one thing you may notice is that the quality is better. So right now is at 4K and 24 pix and 24 FPS. So we're gonna see how this looks like when I upload this into YouTube. It's gonna burn a lot of gigabytes, which I don't like, but whatever. So let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday, Saturday. I'll be honest. I just had to relax the whole day. Um, but I could talk about what happened this morning. This morning, I was with Andrew, with Tamir, and we're just going over some things like how to optimize the call center, optimizing our call center team. I had two agents live that were live on Saturday. I also had them live on Sunday as well for auto insurance. And this morning, we are just discussing about data, like optimizing the data. I was also working with Tamir. So Tamir, he actually not doesn't come from the space. He is a media buyer himself. He has a media agency beforehand before he sold it. But he knows a lot when it comes to ecom. So he's an ecom media buyer, and he's coming into the space into pay per call and lead generation. And what I know is that ecom media buyers are better than pay per call media buyer because they know the whole process of how to get how to acquire the audience as much as possible and to scale a campaign. So now and then I'll be honest, I didn't really do much this afternoon. I really just went home um and just relaxed. Same, and then all the way to night. And then nighttime I was watching some videos on I was like just scrambling around on Facebook ads, and I was getting into the SEO side as well. So, because I need to get that potty rentals, and then I did had something where I one of my friends was killing it on Newsbreak, Newsbreak creator. So he's a publisher for Newsbreak, and he will post articles on there with SEO, and he's like literally doing like 9 grand a month. So I asked him questions like how. So you hired a friend that does it. How does he make the articles? Is everything ChatGPT? Is the image ChatGPT? He's like, yes, everything's ChatGPT. So I submitted my first article. I submitted my article because I have the account too. And then next thing you know, I had like 500 impressions in like 5 minutes, and then one comment and then one follow. So I need to get 100 follows in order get more get more content. But the issue is I don't have time on my hands. So I started researching on browser automation and using and utilizing make.com to automate all of this. And I already figured it out. I just this afternoon I just drew out a board, and I could see this whole process where it just hits ChatGPT, finds thinks of a good engaging article that gets people to read, and then creates a headline, creates the body, the paragraphs, and then I have a system where it's going to press buttons on the website, and it's going to copy and paste it, easy, la da da. So it's definitely going to work. I know, and I know for sure. So I'm gonna do a I'm gonna do a test, and if it does work, basically I just automated a content writer, which is crazy, and that's just, and plus Newsbreak already has the audience. So I'm gonna we'll see how this goes because my friend is doing 30 articles in one day. So I'm gonna do 24 articles in like every day. And it's automated. So it's like literally I'm just like collecting income if this is actually successful. So I hope it is. Um Now today, I'm gonna work on that Newsbreak automation. I'm learning more about the browser automation, so I'm learning that one too. And then I'm looking to get started with testing auto insurance lead gen. I heard from a lot of people that auto lead gen is performing really well, so I'm going to give that one a test. And last but not, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I just really want to improve my skills. Um, and I may need to get like a Mac Mini or like a mini PC because I want to have like a server in my own apartment where I'm just gonna use like a remote desktop and access it and have this automation going through. So that's pretty much it, guys. And yeah, I don't think I have any more questions from here. I don't have any more topics to talk about. I mean, Airtable is something I'm still learning too. I like Airtable so far. It's really nice. All right, but that's it. Bye bye, guys.